Have you ever wondered how to turn a simple design into a true masterpiece? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use layer blending, transparency techniques, and creative color adjustments to craft this stunning design. It's perfect for all skill levels, so stay tuned until the end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support keeps me going. I've already removed the background from the images beforehand to save your valuable time. Now, I'll start the process with a simple drag and drop, followed by adjusting the image size. Now, I double-click on the background layer to unlock it. Then I go to the FX options and choose Gradient Overlay to create a background color. I adjust the colors. The choice of colors is entirely up to your preference, so feel free to pick any color you like. Use the shortcut Ctrl+J to duplicate the image and disable its eye icon. Select the Screen Layer style for this image. Now, to create a transparent effect, I'll select Black and White from the Adjustment Layer options. Adjust the settings in this section according to your image needs. I've practiced before and remember which number to select. Activate the eye icon for this image, create a mask for it, and use either a crop or any other tool you're skilled with to remove the desired parts of the image. To remove unwanted parts with a mask, make sure to use the shortcut Alt+Delete, Windows, or Option+Delete, Mac, and set the color to black to delete the desired areas. I need to delete this part of the image using the brush tool to make it look cleaner and more professional. In this design, I've used wheat stalks to represent that the ice cream cone biscuit is made from wheat flour. This combination beautifully showcases the connection between the natural flavor of wheat and the ice cream dessert. This is an idea you can personalize and use as inspiration for your own design. To avoid making the video too long, I've already prepared a label that acts as a sample. Now, I'll position it in the appropriate place. Now, I group these layers together by pressing Ctrl+G, so that the layer section doesn't get cluttered. I drag and drop the next image. Press Ctrl+T, right-click, and choose Warp. Then I adjust it as needed on the ice cream image. I reduce the opacity of the image so that it becomes clearer where I need to make adjustments. Now, I create a mask on the image. Then I use the brush tool to remove the extra parts. With any tool you are skilled in, you can take advantage of it to improve your workflow. Now, I drag and drop the previous image again and place it in the layer below. I adjust the sprinkled cocoa image on the biscuit. Using the warp option. In the same way, adjust all the images you need in the main project. Now, I add an image of clouds to enhance the design's environment, making it look more visually appealing. I add wheat stalks to the design, arranging them carefully to enhance its decorative appeal. Now, I add a short name that I prepared earlier, similar to a sample, to the design, placing it in the right position. I use the wheat stalks to decorate this as well. Then I create a mask for the extra parts and remove them using the brush tool. Here, you can add any text you like and adjust its position, size, and style according to your design needs. The biscuit, which has an edible filling with a color similar to beige. I match its color to the ice cream. I select it from the layers and use the adjustment layer option hue/saturation to adjust the color. It's also worth mentioning that there are various ways to match colors in Photoshop. When I mask an image and use the brush tool to remove parts of it, the colors in the toolbar should be set to black and white. Black is used for removal, and white is used for restoration. I perform the same step for the next image as well. I will adjust the wheat clusters again to make them look better and more precise, and give the overall design more harmony. Finally, I create a shadow using the brush tool. Then, I press Ctrl+T to resize and adjust the shadow. To set the shadow's direction, I hold down the Control key, left-click the mouse, and move it to fine-tune the shadow's position. Make sure to adjust the shadow based on the light source. The alignment may not be perfect here, but be sure to pay attention to this in your practical projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Your support will make a huge difference in improving future projects. Creating these tutorials takes a lot of time, but writing a comment doesn't take much at all. Your support motivates me to continue making more content. Also, if you have time, be sure to check out the other videos on the Ideas Graphics channel. Until next time, take care.